Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm camping with Christian.
Hi.
We're on our way to the waterfall trails, and when we get over there, I'll be starting this video where I'm handcuffed to my friend while hiking and in the waterfall. See you guys then, bye. Wait, come here real quick. Don't move. So, right, we're back guys, and so what's going to be happening is we're going to be on a trail hiking, and then we're going to be near waterfalls too, so I'm going to get a couple videos of that. So what's going to be happening is me and her are going to be handcuffed together. I'm going to be left hand, my wrist is going to be handcuffed, and it's going to be her right hand.
Why did we decide that?
Or do you want to do?
That doesn't matter to me. Oh man. Okay.
This one was being a pain. That
You can just. Oh, you can't push them all the way through?
No, you can. That one was just being a pain.
I don't know if I want to be handcuffed with this one.
No, they work. It's just that one's like being stupid.
They work, sure. Oh, you can push it all the way through.
Yeah, I guess you just have to.
All right, you get this one.
I get the pain in the ass one apparently.
Yeah, you
do.
Oh.
Want to help me here?
Oh, you're good.
I got it. Ah!
All right, so I swallow this, right?
No! She did. I have another one, but still.
Oh man.
So we are joined together now. Did you put it on too tight on yours?
Suck.
Alright, hold on. You gotta come with me.
I don't wanna. Don't make me. Oh, this was supposed to be fun.
It is gonna be fun. Well, let's try to kill each other.
So for how long?
15 minutes.
Okay.
Right, I'll follow you.
Oh no.
So now we are.
We got everything.
Yeah, the thing is, guys, if she falls, I fall too.
If I fall, my wrist falls off. Because this kind of hurts.
Yeah, I think we put it on too tight.
Yep. No, I wanted to find out. There's Lake Rose Trail.
Yeah, it's up there.
Oh, I need to get the map in my car.
Now we have to go back to the car, you guys.
Can you grab the key I got on my bag? The other hand.
Yeah.
See, this is why I knew this wasn't one. I'll take this. Grab the keys, please.
They're in the small pocket?
No, they're in the big pocket. They're in the big pocket in the pouch on the back of the big pocket.
Alright, give me a sec.
So they're like in the pouch, like in the back, all the way down. All the way down.
Like behind, underneath the waters and stuff?
No, in the pouch.
Pouch, that's what I was looking at.
No, in the pouch in the big pocket. All right, here you go.
She's still rolling, okay. When I saw one of these YouTubers do it, they were trying to eat food with chopsticks or whatever, Chinese sticks. And it kind of sucked for them when they were trying to do it.
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
The struggles.
Oh, it was on lockdown. I don't even need my keys. How about that? This was your idea.
I know.
100% your idea.
I know it was my idea.
In the pouch. Yeah, see?
I know, it hurts because they're metal too.
You didn't even set a timer for 15 minutes.
It's at like, it just came to 4 minutes right now.
Oh.
Yeah, it does that whenever I video. It counts for the minutes.
Totally forgot.
All right.
Alright.
So here we go again, you guys. Next time, if I ever do this challenge, I'm getting fluffy ones.
Bear walk, we're at access to the falls trail, cherry trail. So we want to go. Oh,
You wanna go this way?
to the map.
All right. To the map, you guys.
A couple. We're there. Yeah, the Highland Trail. So we're here. Bear walk. Oh yeah. Beach lawn. Lake Rose Trail. Oh yeah, we're not next to the beach.
Which one are we here?
Where it says you are here.
Lake Rose. Okay.
Yeah, we can mess around on the beach later, tomorrow. But
Okay.
so this is the which trail is this? Which trail is this? Which trail is this? Right here. That's the pavilion I'm looking at now. Right now, this should be the Highland Trail. Either the Highland or the. You know what?
Let's go this way.
Just run it.
Alright, we're going down this way, you guys. Hi there. Hello. Like I said, this will be interesting, guys.
Alright, this is the waterfall.
Little baby waterfall. Baby waterfall.
100%.
Yeah,
I'm glad. I'm so happy I broke these shoes in like months ago.
that's good.
I haven't worn these in like a long time. Yeah, because I put them on first and it just hurt my toes.
Yeah,
I'm okay. I think I'm okay.
that's good. Did you see their faces? They were like looking at us and like, what is wrong with you two?
Well, they wouldn't be wrong.
Well, I
They
know.
would assume something's wrong with us. I think there's something wrong with everybody.
Yeah.
It's alright to be a little mad.
Yeah. Especially if you're a YouTuber. I think.
True. Definitely helps.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't hunt? No hunting in this area? That's ridiculous. I was gonna shoot me a bear. No, I was gonna wrestle it with my bare hands. I was gonna wrestle a bear with my bare hands.
Wow, some bear stew.
Yeah, bear stew.
That sounds yummy.
Kill me a duck. Have some duck sauce.
Ooh, some yummy duck sauce.
Squeeze the sauce right out the duck. It's so nice. What time is it? Holy cow. They have daylight for another 6 hours.
I know, right?
We can walk 6 miles in 6 hours, right? Mile an hour?
Well, thank you.
A mile an hour? I think we're moving at least 1 mile an hour.
Yeah.
I think the average walking speed is 3 to 4 miles an hour. So I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see the sign that says hunting in this area, though.
No hunting in this area.
Hunting.
Hunting.
No hunting.
Hunting.
Tauntaun?
Tauntaun? Is that like a name for a character?
Star Wars, a Tauntaun is, I'm pretty sure, it's the thing in The Empire Strikes Back where Luke and Han Solo ride on.
Oh, yeah.
They are called Tauntauns.
Oh, yeah. I was saying that name looks familiar and stuff.
Or heard. Hi there.
Hello.
How y'all guys doing? Good. Alright. Okay, so this is where
We need to figure
it
out.
splits.
Alright,
I'm glad I brought the map.
Yep, now we gotta decide if we want to go left or right.
Glen Trail, Highland Trail. Because the Highland Trail doesn't have any waterfalls, but the Kanakanaga Trail.
This says beach.
Oh, hell yeah.
Which way?
Oh, hell yeah.
Go right?
Yeah.
Right, you guys.
Because the Highland Trail doesn't have any waterfalls on it until it gets to the Glenlee Trail.
Yeah.
But this just connects along with that, so.
Sweet.
Yeah, Highland Trail is pretty much just, because the way the trails go, it kind of...
Something wet in my hair. Is that funny?
Oh, it's hilarious. It'll be funny when it happens to me, too.
It landed right on my head.
But,
Go ahead.
no, because the trails, they kind of go down the mountain and then, like, back up the mountain.
Yeah.
But the Highland Trail is just, like, cut across both of them. Well, it kind of has to go down because of the waterfalls.
Yeah. See, guys, this is...
So it'll be a fun walk down.
Yeah.
And it'll be an even better walk up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I swear to God, if we trip.
If one of us trips, and the other one trips as well.
One of us trips, both of us are getting their ankle broken.
Yeah, that's gonna be bad. Here's the water.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you guys, so we have to make sure we don't kill each other on this trail.
Hi there.
Hello.
How you guys doing?
Good.
You're just so like introspective.
At least we don't have to climb up on, like, last night, you guys, when we were looking at the views, we went to this secret area, but the way up was interesting because we had to climb on a bunch of sticks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I totally forgot. Yeah, because I shut that area off to people.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was like on the side of a mountain. It was supposed to be a porch. It was
Yeah.
just like a deck on this mountain. I haven't been there in 2 years. I decided to go back and it's all burnt.
Mm-hmm.
Like a huge hole in the center. It just wasn't, it was
It just,
dilapidated.
yeah.
Dilapidated to pieces. I know where we are. Well, I've known where we are for a while. There's some falls over there. I want to go see what's over there.
Same.
I know it says trail this way, but fuck.
We're going on our own, you guys. Oh, shit. That rock.
Yeah, because I think you can just go down here and look at the waterfall and you kind of have to come back. But it's still cool.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. What are you apologizing for?
Because I thought I almost pulled you over with me.
Not yet. Not yet. It's really nice you alone.
I know that.
Ooh. Oh, that's cool.
That is.
Alright, go around the other way. Yeah, it's definitely looks like people going.
Yeah.
This is definitely why I said bring hiking. Yeah, are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey.
Hey.
Serena.
Look at that, guys. We're gonna end the video here.
Okay.
Alright, guys, that's
The handcuff challenge,
Handcuff
I suppose.
challenge with my friend hiking. So, hope you guys look forward to more. Bye. Peace out. See you later. Bye.